Hey everyone, I want to introduce you to the Birthday Wishes Ornament. So this is a little birthday cake design which is made from layered felt and glue to build the cake. And then we wrap the sides with felt and add this little scalloped embellishment with French knots. Then we're going to make the rosettes and put them on the top and make these tiny little candles that are made out of pipe cleaners. And then the next lesson we're going to work on creating the cake stand. So it's got this little pedestal base and this scalloped edge with more French knots. So that is sort of our main ornament. And then I couldn't resist doing this little bonus mini ornament, which is just a single wedge of cake with a rosette and candle and the same details. And it's got its own little hanger loop here. So I think this is a really sweet gift for someone, or to hang on your tree, or even just a little display on a shelf. Just a super cute little gifty ornament. So I hope you enjoy this, and I can't wait for you to get started.